Natural kidney cleanse at home. The kidneys are two small organs located on either side of the spine, below the ribs. They play an important role in getting rid of excess waste, balancing electrolytes, and creating hormones. In the absence of disease, a well-rounded diet and adequate water intake are usually enough to keep your kidneys healthy. However, certain foods, herbs, and supplements can help support strong kidneys. In this video, we are telling 4 ways to cleanse your kidneys and keep them functioning strong. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Hydration is key. The adult human body is composed of almost 60% water. Every single organ, from the brain to the liver, requires water to function. As the filtration system of the body, the kidneys require water to secrete urine. Urine is the primary waste product that allows the body to get rid of unwanted or unnecessary substances. When water intake is low, urine volume is low. A low urine output may lead to kidney dysfunction, such as the creation of kidney stones. It's crucial to drink enough water so that the kidneys can properly flush out any excess waste materials. This is especially important during a kidney cleanse. The recommended daily intake of fluids is roughly 3.7 liters and 2.7 liters a day for men and women, respectively, according to the Institute of Medicine. 2. Choose foods that support kidney health. Grapes, peanuts, and some berries contain a beneficial plant compound called resveratrol. In one animal study, researchers found that treatment with resveratrol was able to lower kidney inflammation in rats with polycystic kidney disease. Lemon, orange, and melon juice all contain citric acid, or citrate. Citrate helps prevent kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in urine. This inhibits the growth of calcium crystals, which can lead to kidney stones. In addition, drinking a cup of fresh juice per day can contribute to your daily recommended fluid intake. A handful of red grapes makes a great afternoon snack, and they taste even better frozen. 3. Drink kidney cleansing tea. Hydrangea is a gorgeous flowering shrub, well known for its lavender, pink, blue, and white flowers. A recent animal study trusted source found that extracts of hydrangea paniculate given for 3 days offered a protective effect against kidney damage. This is likely due to the antioxidant capabilities of the plant. 4. Supplement with supportive nutrients. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is an important cofactor in many metabolic reactions. B6 is required for the metabolism of glyoxylate, which can become oxalate instead of glycine if B6 is deficient. As mentioned above, too much oxalate may lead to kidney stones. Potassium citrate. Potassium is a necessary element of electrolyte balance and pH balance of urine. Therapy with potassium citrate can potentially help to reduce the formation of kidney stones, especially in people who experience recurring episodes. For those with a history of other kidney problems, talk to your doctor before you take potassium supplements. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.